The teaching video for the first flight of F22 4K Pro. Frequency alignment method. In the patch cord to connect the telephone, click to check the power, and then long press for 3 seconds to start the aircraft. It will display connecting on a LCD screen, and put the aircraft on a level surface. Turn the power switch, and it will initiate the frequency matching state. The front and rear indicators will keep flashing slowly, synchronously. When GPS mode is shown on the display LCD screen. Now the black-blue light plus front white light of the aircraft is always on. The automatic frequency pairing is successful. Compass calibration. Push the left joystick of the remote control to the position of 1 o'clock, and the right joystick to 11 o'clock. The back blue light or red light, plus front white light or red light fast flash. Pick up the aircraft from the back and rotate your body in one full circle, 360 degrees. While the blue light or red light behind the aircraft is always on. Hold the aircraft vertically, rotating your body in one full circle. The front white light or red light of the aircraft is on. Compass calibration is successful. GPS searching state. Set the aircraft back down to the level surface. The white indicators in the front and the blue lights in the rear will flash slowly to start searching a GPS signal. It takes several minutes to complete the step. The front white lights and the back blue lights of the aircraft is on. The GPS signal searching is successful. Note: please search GPS signal in the open area. Do not use GPS mode indoor and in large metal structures, that it may affect the accuracy of the onboard compass and the GPS system. Alignment of the gyroscope. Push the left joystick or remote control to 11 o'clock and the right joystick to 1 o'clock. The back blue lights plus front white lights of the aircraft fast flash. Means the gyroscope calibration complete. Restore factory settings or horizontally align the aircraft. Push the left joystick or remote control towards 7 o'clock direction and push the right joystick towards 1 o'clock direction. Then the front white lights and the back blue lights are under the fast flash. Restore factory settings or horizontally align the aircraft. Note: put the aircraft onto the level ground and restore factory settings. Otherwise, it may affect the flight altitude. Starting the motors. Push the left joystick or remote control to 5 o'clock and the right joystick to 7 o'clock. Motors automatically to start. Directly push the left joystick to take off, starting the motors before the aircraft taking off. Push the left joystick or remote control to 5 o'clock and the right joystick to 7 o'clock again. Then the motors will stop working. If the motors starting are not operated after 20 seconds, the aircraft can take off normally when all the indicators on the aircraft are solid on. Dual remote controller mode. Keep pressing the camera button on the remote control, and then trigger to switch the right joystick after startup. Reminder: ensure the remote control power off before this step activated. Restart it, and now the left joystick switch to the throttle stick. Under the poor GPS environment like indoor, hold the speed switch button for 3 seconds to turn up the GPS mode. The back blue light is under the fast flash, and the front white light is under normal light mode. The aircraft will enter into the normal mode for taking off. Thank you for watching the instructional video of the initial flight of F22 4K Pro.